Hey guys, it's Steve here, and we're doing something a little bit different today than the photography that we're normally involved with. I was contacted by a financial services company, a client that I've done work before, Bradford Capital Group in West Sacramento, and they're in the process of rebranding and creating a new logo for their office. So they contacted me to help out with that. So we've put together a beautiful metal print with their new logo, and we're going to install that today. And I wanted to show you that install process. It's actually kind of cool. So come along with me. We're going to take a look at a quick video on how we did the install of their brand new logo at Bradford Capital Group.